Watch me make Costco's rotisserie chicken, but better. First thing, make sure your chicken is clean. We're gonna get that thing seasoned on the inside. Stuff it with some aromatics. We got some lemon here and some elephant garlic. Let's get that in there. Let's go with a couple small sprigs of rosemary. And let's just stuff all that in there. I like thyme, lots of thyme, lots and lots of thyme. Let's go with another lemon wedge. And all stuffed in there. All right, let's get this guy tied up. I don't do nothing special. I just make sure that it's not gonna go nowhere. All right, let's get this guy good to go, set on his spit. I use this tool, this thing called a Ronco Rotisserie. I swear by this thing. This will always be my go-to rotisserie, especially when the weather's not good and I don't feel like going outside in the crappy weather. Get my other end on. Grab my bowl. So now we're gonna get this guy seasoned up. What I have here is just a little garlic powder, paprika, nothing crazy. Some lemon pepper. Basically season it all the way around, and then we're gonna get some fresh cracked pepper on here and get this thing in the rotisserie. With Ronco Rotisserie, it takes about 35 minutes to maybe 45 minutes to get this done with the lid closed. But I like to cook it with the lid open. That way it'll get my skin nice and crispy without it getting too super dark. An hour, 45 minutes until it's done. Remove your bird from the rotisserie. Once it reheats 160 degrees, rest it for a minimum of 30 minutes. Now tell me that's not complete juicification. Better than the bag every single time. If you want to see more builds like this, hit that subscribe button.